Today, I'm conducting an oil change on my 2009 Hyundai Elantra.
You will need a drip pan to catch the oil, a funnel, a pair of oil filter pliers or an oil filter wrench of some type, a 17 millimeter wrench, your new oil filter, and 5 quarts of 5W20 oil. First thing I'm going to do is remove the filler cap. On the back side of the oil pan, next to the exhaust flex section, you'll see the drain plug. Using a 17 millimeter wrench, we'll go ahead and loosen that plug up. Position the oil drain pan and remove the oil plug and allow the oil to drain. Check your drain plug, make sure the threads are good, and make sure the washer or seal is also in good condition. Once you're done draining the engine oil, go ahead and put the drain plug back into the oil pan. And you want to tighten it to about 20 to 25 foot-pounds. The oil filter is located on the front side of the engine, right underneath the alternator. Sometimes you can remove these by hand, but most of the time, because the engine is warm, it's going to be difficult to remove by hand. So you will need some type of a oil filter wrench or oil filter pliers. To remove it, you want to turn it counterclockwise. You will have oil leaking as the filter is being removed. So make sure the drain pan is in the right position to catch the oil. Once the filter is removed, you're going to notice that this is quite a bit of oil that will continue to drain out from the oil filter housing. That is normal. Just allow it to finish draining. New oil filter, go ahead and put some oil on the rubber seal before we place the filter onto the oil filter housing. When placing the filter back onto the filter housing, be careful not to cross thread the filter. Once the seal on the filter touches the housing, you want to turn it 3/4 to 1 full turn. I like to take some brake clean or carburetor cleaner or any cleaner that I have available, and then I'll just spray it down and wipe up any oil that's left on the frame. And remove the safety sands and drop the vehicle onto level ground. Using a funnel, I pour 4.5 quarts of 5W20 oil into the engine. Once complete, I remove the funnel, place the filler cap back on, start the engine, let it run for about a minute, and then we'll shut the engine down and check the oil level. To check the oil level, take a rag, pull the dipstick out of the tube, and wipe it down. Fully insert the dipstick back into the tube, pull it back up. If the oil level is anywhere in between those two dots, you're good to go. If it's low, go ahead and add some.
before you start the oil change, make sure the engine is warm. So go for a nice little 10-minute ride, come back. That'll help the oil flow quicker. And that's all I got. Questions or comments, please leave them down below. I'll get to them as soon as I can. You all have a great day.